Today I have a 15-inch wood round circle, and I am painting it with Wise Owl Snow Owl using a Klingon brush, and I'm giving it 2 coats. While my paint is still wet, I'm taking an art brush and some Spanish olive and going from halfway point to halfway point around the outer edge. With some Republic Red, and now my snow owl is still a little wet. I'm filling in that same half circle, and I'm leaving a white space between the 2 colors. Guys, I'm eyeballing all of these. You don't have to be perfect. If you feel like you have a not steady hand, you can always grab a piece of cardboard and make a template for your half circles to help guide you. Or you could use a chalk pencil and make sure you erase it when you're done. So either way. I added white Wise Owl, Snow Owl, to the interior of my Republic Red and just blended it a little bit. And now I'm taking a smaller art brush and I'm making these stripes, again, just eyeballing, no measuring, around the outer edge on the Spanish olive. Now I'm going in with some black, and as you can see, this is a half of a watermelon. I'm adding the watermelon seeds. Again, I'm just putting them there. It's kind of a small teardrop. So now I have the stencil, and it comes with 2, Blessed and Welcome, and it is an adhesive stencil. This is probably one of my favorite stencils. The adhesion's pretty severe and it does not bleed at all. And I'm using a dabber and some Wise Owl black paint. My first coat I hit with a blow dryer, and now I've added my second coat. I did take a small art brush and fill in the letters. It's not necessary. Once that was all dry, I took a piece of sandpaper, probably about 300 grit, and this is a very light sand. I was not aggressive. I really didn't want to take my color off too much, but I just wanted to give it a quick sanding. And I'm taking some Wise Owl varnish, and this is going to be my top coat, with a Gen foam brush. If you want more than 1 coat, you want to wait 4 hours for your next coat. Now I grabbed these hangers at Dollar General or even Dollar Tree. I always have them on hand, and I put one on either side on the back, and I used a piece of jute as my hanger. You can use ribbon, or you actually can use nails if you want to hang it with. But if you want to put this on a door or a wall, I prefer hangers, and then you have to worry about things being perfectly straight. I'm taking a piece of green burlap and a piece of ribbon, and I'm actually using a tack to adhere my ribbon. This is a black polka dotted ribbon, and I'm scrunching my jute and tying it within that ribbon. I like this better. I really don't like hot gluing some of my ribbons to wood boards, and this way I can change it out if I need to. And then I'm just going to trim up my ribbon so it doesn't fall into my letters. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. For paint products and brushes, chalkitupfancy.com. If you're interested in any transfers, chalkitupfancy.com. Check us out on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching.